Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your QuickBooks subscription online, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your browser. So I'm already on that page. So let me show you from the very beginning. So first, once you have opened your preferred browser, I'm using Google Chrome browser right now. So now you can log into your QuickBooks account. So I'm going to sign in to my QuickBooks account here. So first you have to add your login credentials like your Gmail, your password, and you have to select your company. Once you have done, you can find this type of interface, the dashboard of your channel now or of your company here. So first thing you have to do is simply click on this gear icon at the top right corner after signing in to your company. Now from here you can find your profile section where you can find subscriptions and billing. Simply click on it. Now from here you can see there's two options for downgrade your plan or cancel your trial. So if you are on a trial or if you are taking a trial for a certain period of a certain plan that QuickBooks is offering, so you can cancel it anytime you want. You can simply click on cancel your trial, then it will automatically and easily cancel your trial after getting some feedbacks. And also you can downgrade from your current plan if you want so. So right now I'm just experiencing the QuickBooks advanced free trial from here, so I want to downgrade my plan. So anytime I can do it by simply click on downgrade your plan button here. Or also if you want to renew your subscription or upgrade your subscription, so you can do it anytime from your QuickBooks or Intuit official website where you can purchase the higher tier plan, or also you can renew it only by clicking on this subscribe button, and it will automatically use your payment method that you have used when you have just purchased your past plan on QuickBooks. So that's how you can easily manage your QuickBooks subscription online from only one place, from this here, just like I show you in the profiles and subscription and billing section. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.